To say words that start with the letter B, just put your lips together like ba, ba, ba. For example, the boy baked bread in the oven. I will buy a bottle of water at the store. The P sound is stronger. To say words that start with the letter P, put your lips together and blow out a little air, like puh, puh, puh. For example, I flew to Pittsburgh on a plane to see my friend Pete. I put my plate in the sink to wash it. Words like peanut butter have both sounds. I like to eat peanut butter and jelly sandwiches. Barbara used colored pencils to draw a picture of a bird on a bench.